So sometimes what you plant is not what you see as a result. I thought I had planted a bunch of ranunculus that would look like this. This is the classical look. And then I got these. And these are anything but classical. I'm not sure what kind of ranunculus these are, but that's definitely not what I had ordered. So sometimes you get surprises. Just like you get unexpected surprises sometimes in places you weren't expecting. Like this wild orange has this beauty. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful lily. It also does not belong there. Since I received this tree already growing, I have no idea what was growing in the root ball. This lily ended up there. Well, pleasant surprise.